to anybody else. Commonly, just we are talking. Nature. What is the meaning of nature? Okay, A finds
Ma'am,
a leaf.
Ma'am,
ma'am, everything is
flowers,
nature, ma'am.
greenery.
Ma'am, you are nature, I am nature.
Okay, everything in the world is nature. Okay, except artificial things. Okay, okay. What I'm asking you is, if a child is born, why we are educating the child, why you are coming going to school, why you are coming to college, why you are learning, what is the purpose of learning? Only to gain the degree and a well paid job, only for these things.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, these are just materialistic things.
Yeah, only you need materialistic things in your life.
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So why we are being educated? Why only the book knowledge educates you? What is the purpose of learning? Only to score more marks? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am, maybe.
Ma'am, maths paper was very bad.
Okay. Above all, what I'm asking, did you understand what is meant by learning? Educated people. So what is that? Only getting the book knowledge. Is that means a knowledge educated one?
Ma'am, Hardik will answer this.
What about others?
Yes, ma'am, only gaining knowledge and scoring marks because what else can we do of knowledge?
Nothing to
Ma'am,
say.
what are you expecting from us after learning yoga in SRM?
After learning,
Yoga in SRM,
uh, you are learning yoga,
just for the sake of marks.
but other than the mark, you learned nothing.
No, ma'am, obviously we do.
You do. What you gain from that yoga?
Nothing.
And that is a wheel in
Spiritual
which all the
knowledge, ma'am.
90 students are
Spiritual
there, and when he
knowledge,
spins the
peace.
wheel,
Sorry, Hadvik.
Ma'am, it will help us to concentrate on all other subjects.
Yes, it gives us peace.
Ma'am, we can
That's
achieve
what.
immortality.
Okay, okay,
Ma'am,
okay.
we do yoga at 2 a.m.
If
2 p.m.
we understand from our heart, okay, we love to do yoga, not only yoga, the particular topic, the particular subject from the heart. If we understand and if we enjoy and do that one, it will give more pleasure for us. Pleasure, peace.
Studying Constitution of India.
Why you are studying Constitution of India? Because you are an Indian citizen, isn't it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
obviously, ma'am.
Yeah.
In
So
LLB, we also
Ma'am, but
do
why in so much detail?
so much. So what I got is you are bored during COI class, isn't it?
Ma'am, your subject is
No,
very,
ma'am,
ma'am,
No,
you
yours
are
is my
very
ma'am.
favorite
interesting.
subject.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, you are
it's
very
only your
interesting.
subject that we
Your
enjoy.
classes are also interesting, but the
Ma'am,
subject
best
which
subject,
you are
ma'am. Best subject in this
teaching,
world, ma'am.
Because no exams, no credits. That's what.
no, ma'am, because the
Ma'am,
teacher
but we
is
but,
new.
but we get all adventures in assignments, ma'am.
Since we are not at all having exams, at least we can do assignments, no worksheet, because we need to know about the constitution of our country. Okay, so what are the administrative works, functions, structures of our government? What are the roles they are having? What are the powers they are having? So we need to know. That's what we are having the subject.
Ma'am, instead of assignments, can't COI department release that Google Forms containing 30 questions and each month? That's better, na, ma'am.
Abhinav, very
You are
good.
a good question, but your question hurts me.
I'm always a good question.
Are you understand?
Can't we have that amendments in like constitution? Can't be amendments in COI department? They should think over that, na, ma'am.
Before designing the syllabus, I think the officials have want to decide want to discuss with you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. They should take reviews from students. Means at the end we have to do that. That's why, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we start the class?
Ma'am, class is already started, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Very
Rajnikant is launching his own political party.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What is the name of that party?
Oh,
Oh,
Hmm? Okay. Shall we start the class? The last session is pending, no?
ma'am, we have already studied everything.
What you have studied? Okay. What is the last?
Ma'am, class is for discussion now, so we are discussing only.
Yes, ma'am. We should discuss only.
Very
No
good,
study.
fair enough.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah.
Rajnikant was a really good topic to
yes,
discuss.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the name of his political party?
Yeah, that's what I asked you. See, diverting me out from
Mind
taking
it.
class.
Ma'am, we want to gain
Robot
some
cat.
knowledge from you.
Sorry?
Ma'am, we want to gain some knowledge
Oh,
so
hey,
we
about
can
About
be
Rajnikant.
better citizens of
party.
India.
I want to gain the knowledge about Rajinikanth's party, political party. Hmm?
Let's
But
Google it.
ma'am, we'll be coming to South now, so we should know about South.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Valid point. Very nice
Ma'am,
one.
will Rajnikant sir come to SRM?
To
Maybe.
promote his party.
Yeah, maybe.
I'm big fan, ma'am.
Rajnikant will beat all of us alone.
And then.
When will Rahul Gandhi become the next PM?
Hmm. And
Oh, nice question.
Impossible.
Very poor genuine.
Asaduddin Owaisi.
Once he make gold from
It's
Ma'am,
time
in
to
a
potatoes.
move the
single jump,
country.
he can cover the full entire campus of SRM.
Yes, ma'am. Rajnikant.
Yes, ma'am. So
Sir.
we should discuss about his political party at least.
Yes, ma'am. He is so powerful person.
I know very well how you are passing the time. COI
Yes,
time.
ma'am. We also know, ma'am, that.
Deviating me
I
from
no,
taking
I'm
the
not
Ma'am,
class.
how
like
to
that.
get voter ID card of
Today's
South?
maths paper, today's maths paper showed us where we stand. That's why we are targeting to focus on subject.
Focus on.
Yes, ma'am.
And so
That's why
starting
we
from
are
you
so
know.
much
No.
interaction.
Ma'am, today's
I'm
math
learning
paper showed us that there is
maths.
nothing in
Just
materialistic
one
things.
correction. You're targeting me.
No, ma'am, we want to increase
No,
our
ma'am.
general
Not at
No,
knowledge.
all.
ma'am.
And ma'am, we
Ma'am,
are
why
No,
not
would
ma'am,
you
Guna
target?
sir also, our physics teacher also. We told him
Yeah?
to reduce the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Our
We
physics
only took
teacher.
20 minutes class. I think
Sorry,
you should also
Abhinav.
do the same.
Talk one
Ma'am,
by
no
one.
sorry.
What you said, I didn't get you clearly.
Ma'am, they are telling that our semiconductors teacher, he took only 20 minutes class for us because he could empathize our pain after giving our maths exam.
Yes, ma'am. It was a
Oh.
disaster.
Yes,
Hashtag
ma'am.
Samaj.
Okay. See those who didn't submit the assignments can use this time. Can utilize this period. Okay, you can write now and you can submit before the class ends. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, just give them 0, ma'am.
Negative
Aditya.
marks, ma'am.
Sorry, Abarna. What you said?
Ma'am, she is saying that give them negative marks.
Negative marks. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, like cut off their marks from the last assignment also, ma'am. They deserve it.
Yes, ma'am.
And the next also.
कौन सा माल फूक के बैठे हुए?
Can all of
जो तुम बेचते
you
हो.
turn your videos? Turn on your videos. Can you?
No,
Not
ma'am.
can you? Turn on the videos. We can discuss. I didn't see your faces. I didn't see you. Only the initials I can see. It's better.
We are not very good looking. You can just hear our
So
voices. That's
even
enough.
I'm also not looking good. No problem. Okay.
No, ma'am. Who said that?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
actually here it's winter in the north, na ma'am. So we are sitting in sunlight, so you can't see us in sunlight.
No problem. You Abhinav,
Ma'am,
turn
there
on
is
your
so
video
much
first.
fog right now in North
First,
India.
Abhinav, turn on your video. Next one, Hardik. Who is talking? Turn on your
Abhinav
videos.
is talking, ma'am.
Next. Turn on your videos. No one is willing to do. Yes. What's your name? Deepa. Yes. Good. The 55 students are here. Only one did what I said.
Ma'am, no one listens to you.
Wait a minute. Aditya, where is Abhinav? Where is Abhinav? Hardik, switch on your videos. All of you. Kushi, Himanshu, Mrityunjay, Roshan.
Sorry, ma'am, I threw away my webcam in frustration after exam.
When will
Ma'am, I
you?
smashed up my laptop.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am, no camera.
When will you clear that one?
Ma'am, I'm
After this
connected from Nokia
semester?
3010.
After 2020? Will you? At least will you do in 2021?
Ma'am, 24 maybe.
After
24.
graduation.
After your graduation, you will. Abiru. So no one did. Deep also went, Chabirup went, Aditya went.
Ma'am, I did, but no one is on the camera, so I closed it.
Am I that much horrible
Ma'am, Deepa is the
to
video
you?
representative.
Huh? If you don't turn on your cameras, and then I will start to take the class.
Nice blackmailing.
Ma'am, actually, we are trying to do yoga so that we can gain our mental peace after maths exam.
And then why you attend the class,
Yes, ma'am.
COI class, and then why you came to class?
Ma'am,
No, ma'am,
so
we are
what
listening
about
to
Ma'am,
you.
Indian
because of
culture,
attendance.
Ma'am,
constitution?
we are multitasking.
Ma'am, I'm in BJP rally right now.
You are in?
Oh, Kisan.
Corona?
किसान एकता जिंदाबाद.
बंगाल में तो नहीं हो
Water,
भाई.
water cannon.
Just 20 minutes. Shall we listen? Just 20 minutes. After that, we can discuss. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, or two Adityas are there. Aditya Singh. And unmute yourself and talk, Aditya.
Ma'am, I was just saying hello.
Hello. Yes. What's your full name? Aditya?
Swami.
Swami. And one more Aditya is there. His name?
Aditya Singhal.
Singhal. Singhal.
Yeah, ma'am.
As the name suggests.
No, you are wrong.
Sorry, bro.
Okay, just 20 minutes we can see the class and then we can discuss. Okay, is it okay with you? Or those who didn't submit the worksheets, are you doing it or what are you doing?
Writing, ma'am.
Writing.
Ma'am, yoga.
Yoga. See, turn on your
At
video.
massage.
I want to see you how you are doing yoga. Nikhil.
Yes, ma'am.
How you are doing yoga? Yoga, sorry.
Ma'am,
Like,
Nikhil is a professional at yoga.
I don't know that.
no, ma'am.
बिना आम खाए कुछ भी निकाल सकता है.
Okay, when is your English exam?
Ma'am, tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Who is handling?
Rudra, ma'am.
Okay.
Rudra, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, let's talk about politics, ma'am.
Okay. You talk. I will listen to you today. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
explain the farmer bill?
Yes, ma'am. Why they are
Sorry.
protesting so much, ma'am?
Sorry, what you
Ma'am,
said?
the
Can you
farmers bill that the
And the
protest
protest
is
going
going
on
on.
everywhere.
farmers bill?
Ma'am, Naman is also in that protest right now.
Who?
Naman.
Where
Naman.
the
Naman,
Bachchan
Naman.
Committee?
Ah, where is he?
Ma'am, Naman is having a good bath with water cannons.
In Delhi.
Ma'am, that's why he can't turn on his mic.
Farmers bill. Just a minute. Okay. Anybody else do you know about that?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
No
only
one knows.
Naman can, but I guess he's at the protest, so his mic can't be turned on.
Ma'am, Naman is doing ice bucket challenge.
Ma'am, do you know about the protest
Yes,
at
yes,
Delhi?
yes. So you know about that. So can you say what it is?
No,
What
ma'am,
is
I don't know. That's what I'm asking. Why are they protesting?
the farmers are protesting against two farm bills that the Rajya Sabha recently passed. One is the Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce. Sorry, the Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Bill 2020 and the Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Services Bill 2020. So what is that farm bill, farmers bill? Can you say?
No, ma'am, I did Google, but that's the answer I got. I didn't understand it.
Okay, wait. These bills lay the framework for allowing the farmers to sell produce directly to corporates, argues the center. The center argues that these bills will allow the farmers to sell their product directly to corporates. Farmers fear that this may be an excuse to pull off the MSP safety net from under their feet. So, do you want to get deep into it? Are you there, children? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
See here, the farmers of Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, and Haryana are angry with the provisions of these bills as they are afraid that these bills may be the platform that the government at the center is setting up for the replacement or scrapping of the otherwise scrapping support system relevant in their states for the purchase of their crops. They fear that minimum support price MSP guarantee that was their safety net since the green revolution of the 1960s kicked in may be snatched away from under the pretext of giving the farmers more playing ground and better platforms. The state government driven crop produce. You want to get deep into it. Now did you understand for what is the protest?
Jai Jawan.
Who
Jai
is there?
Kisan.
Jai Kisan.
Jai Kisan.
Jai Kisan.
Jai Kisan.
Jai Jawan. Jai Kisan.
Jai
Jai
Jawan.
Modi.
And then see, don't do like this. Our HOD may be into our class without permission. Okay, he is also a co-teacher.
Ma'am, I guess Naman's mic was on. He is in protest, na? That's why.
Hmm.
I guess he
How
got
you
too
are
emotional with your
ready to
words.
face all the problems? You are having all the what solutions in your hand.
Ma'am, we were supporting the farmers.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
I think
good.
we should all go to Delhi and support the farmers.
Yes,
Ma'am. And
ma'am.
also
Delhi.
fight get the
Chalo
Yes,
Delhi.
ma'am. Join me, join me.
Okay. Other than that, that's all for discussion.
Today's cricket match.
What about cricket match? News corner. What about cricket match?
Are you interested in cricket, ma'am?
But not now. Once I liked it, even though I
Dhoni
like
fan
it
you are.
now. Yeah.
And who
Thala.
is your favorite cricketer?
Sorry.
Who is your favorite cricketer?
First Sachin Tendulkar and then Dhoni, Mahendra Singh Dhoni,
Ma'am, Virat Kohli.
Kohli.
Yes, ma'am, Dhoni.
Ma'am Ronaldo.
Yeah, ma'am. Messi also.
Yes, ma'am.
For
Ronaldo is
Ronaldo is
coming
not a
to India
cricketer.
team now.
John Cena.
But not nowadays. I'm not familiar with the new cricket
Yeah,
players.
ma'am. Ma'am,
I
Ronaldo
mean,
is
Ma'am
playing for
Why?
Pramod
the Indian
Dubey.
cricket
Ma'am
team.
Pramod
Why?
Dubey.
Ma'am Jagdish Bhagat.
mm,
Harbhajan Singh.
mm. Rajinikanth. Who is that? Vishav. Or Vaishav or Vishav?
Ma'am, he is Vishav.
Vishav, yeah. Nowadays, no time to watch. Let's watch. If I'm familiar, I will be interested. No. If I'm not familiar with the players,
Ma'am, we will watch a match together at SRM campus.
Yes, ma'am.
you're planning
Yes, ma'am.
a big event in SRM.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. For India versus Pakistan match.
Mhm.
Whenever it comes.
अरे
Okay.
क्या हो गया भाई?
अरे
So others are you writing before the COI class? You have to submit the worksheets. No, are you writing? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. What are you doing?
Ma'am, someone's phone is ringing.
college anthem, ma'am.
Ma'am, he always wanted to sing in front of a crowd.
now.
Everybody cheer. Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.
Aditya Swami.
Ma'am, happy Halloween.
Sorry?
He said Happy Halloween.
He said he wanted to sing.
Whoa, ganja, ganja.
Huh?
Wow, man, he was singing.
Nice, nice.
Beautiful.
Next
Siva.
level competition.
Wow.
Once more.
Whoa, ganja, ganja.
SRM Idol.
GG.
Mumbai, आ रहा Mumbai.
आग लगा
लेके
दिया।
जाएगा मुंबई। आग लगा दी, आग लगा दी।
What happened now? I'm here. Don't forget about me also.
Ma'am,
I was
you will
singing
sing?
for you only.
Yeah, ma'am, I guess.
Okay.
Ma'am, we also have a very good dancer in our class.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
Deepa, Deepa, Deepa.
Deepa.
Ma'am Sarvesh.
Yes,
Sarvesh.
ma'am. Sarvesh also.
Sarvesh just motivates him, but she's actually really good at it.
Vrinda, please turn on your video.
I'm a good dancer, to be honest. Ma'am, me.
Yeah.
And Deepa
Ma'am,
is the
first tell
dancer.
Deepa to dance. Then we all will turn on our cameras.
No need. Vrinda, turn on your camera. Switch on, please. Who is that? Aditya?
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. My phone was ringing.
Ma'am, I guess he wanted to sing again.
This song this time.
Sorry, what you're saying?
I guess he wanted to sing again.
Who want to sing again?
Ma'am, we can do one thing, ma'am.
Aditya
Aditya
Swami.
will sing and Deepa will dance. That will be a really good.
Wow,
Yeah,
what a
ma'am, it will be a
combo.
good
Yes,
coordination.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am, and
ma'am.
we will
And
cheer.
public demand.
Ma'am, that will be really good. You sing it in.
120%. Okay. $77. Surabhi, please support the farmers. ATM number. See, 77 is there or not? Surabhi. Aditya, I'm going to mark your absence. I'm going to mark your absence. Wait.
Ma'am, they asked me to sing.
Only to sing, not to play the song.
Yeah,
Ma'am, I was
those.
singing at karaoke.
Ma'am, it was the
ma'am.
It
karaoke.
was
I
his
can't
song.
sing. You have to
Ma'am,
sing.
he is singing with karaoke.
Listen, in online
Ma'am, he
classes-
sang, not
And he
played.
has his own band.
Who?
Aditya
Aditya.
Swami.
Why you're posting your address in the chat box? Hmm? Am I audible? Did you hear me what I said now?
Yes, ma'am.
What I said now?
Ma'am, you said that why people are posting their attendance in chat box.
Why?
And give
No,
them
ma'am, I
zero
don't know. I
assignment.
didn't post.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Give them zero, ma'am. Just a
Because
solution,
you
ma'am.
didn't post,
Ma'am,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
didn't post,
this is the only
so I
punishment for
have
them.
to give zero for the ones those who have posted.
Yes,
If you
ma'am.
are there, what will you do? Will you say the same answer?
Ma'am, I am getting
And we
disconnected.
don't do such things.
That is why
Ma'am,
I
India is
Ma'am,
so
we are
intolerant.
ideal student, ma'am. Ma'am, we are ideal. Ma'am, this is intolerable, ma'am.
Constitution, ma'am.
Ma'am, Constitution says that, ma'am.
Ma'am,
We
Article
should abide by the laws.
420.
We
Wait,
must
We
go to
have our
I guess
Pakistan.
386 law also states that.
our own version of constitution.
Constitution says what, Aditya?
Ma'am, Aparna will tell.
Aditya will tell now. Say. Say.
Ma'am, Constitution says that everyone has a freedom of speech, right?
Everyone has freedom of speech, but
Yes, ma'am. But ma'am,
Yes,
the
ma'am. And
person
freedom to
has to
protest
be
also.
aware
ma'am, that is all I
where
know.
he is speaking, what he is speaking. Hmm? All these things we have to consider. Yes or no?
Atul
All
Gupta,
these
what are you doing, bro?
Atul, bro.
Atul bro.
Shaky, shaky.
relaxation. Relaxing. Okay, then
Ma'am, this class is so interesting, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. The best class ever.
Best class ever.
if you have exam, will you say like this for the subject?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
obviously.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, of course.
Ma'am,
Very
you are
nice
the best,
subject
ma'am.
it is.
Best
Ma'am, best teacher I have ever got, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
why?
Yes,
Why?
Yes.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I
There are
love
no
it.
teacher like you
Yes,
in
ma'am.
North India.
yes,
Why?
ma'am. In whole
Ma'am, I
India,
think
yaar.
it's
What
something.
not,
Yes,
yaar.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Because you give us
we can feel the
One by
constitution,
one.
ma'am.
Say one by one.
ma'am, because you give us the freedom to speech, right to speak.
Mm.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
man, you're such an aware citizen of India. You know the Constitution of India so well.
Ah. And then
You
Ma'am,
know the
you are an
farmers
ideal
bill
citizen.
also.
buttering. Mm.
No, ma'am, we are not
No,
going to
ma'am,
get
I
any
guess he's
marks.
saying
Why will we butter you?
Yes. Okay. And
तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी
taking advantage in my class. That's what the reason. Isn't it?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, obviously, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we are so stressed out, ma'am.
I expected this answer from Aditya and waited for him. Yes.
Ma'am,
That's all.
being honest, ma'am. I am being
yes, he's
honest.
a very
Everyone is
ideal
telling
student.
lie.
You're very straightforward character.
Yes, ma'am. Very
Yes, ma'am.
selfish.
Yes,
Very
Ma'am,
ma'am.
selfish.
no. Ma'am.
What no?
You only told.
He said it himself, ma'am.
Okay. And after this, what you're going to do? After this course, getting a degree from SRM, what you're going to do?
Either job or farming. That's the only
Farm,
two options left.
farming means?
Yes, ma'am. My
खेतीबाड़ी
parents invested so much money that if मतलब अगर job नहीं लगी, if I didn't
Hardik.
get job, I have
Hmm.
to go to farming.
And then we'll support him in the protest of farmers
Yeah.
if it
And
lasts till
thanks,
then.
Join
And
me.
thanks a
then
lot.
Farming.
and we will
that
donate.
I
support
will, I
farmers.
will, I will provide fertilizers.
Thanks, ma'am.
Hey,
I'll provide the
Hardik,
tractor.
are you sure?
Yes, ma'am. We have so much agricultural land, but
You are from
yet,
which place?
ma'am, Uttar
Ma'am,
Pradesh.
UP. Ma'am,
Oh.
I have
UP.
agricultural land in Balia.
Mm.
Ma'am, if you want some, you can contact me. I'll give you the best deals.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have
Naman,
rifles.
Ma'am, so my father has invested so much money, and if I didn't get any job, I have to go to farming.
I
so
got
is it
supplies.
Aditya? What are you saying?
Ma'am, I got supplies, I'm saying.
Naman, what you said?
And
Naman,
he
what
said
you
he'll provide the tractor for farming.
tractor? Oh,
सीधी
Naman,
नीचे
Thanks,
वाला.
which
Naman.
place?
Ma'am,
Naman.
Naman is in Delhi right now. He is in protest.
So he can't switch on his mic.
Okay, Hardik. So,
Yes.
won't you find it difficult or hard in that line?
Ma'am, but I have no option left, na? That are the only two options that I have.
You're ready for both the sides, either
Yes,
this
ma'am,
way
I am
or that
ready
way.
for
Ma'am,
both
Naman
the
has
sides.
written,
And ma'am,
ma'am,
Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.
ma'am,
ma'am,
we'll
Naman
help
has
him.
written appreciation poetry for you.
Where?
The chat.
Ma'am, let me translate it. Ma'am, first let me tell it in Hindi. Cake के ऊपर cake, मेरी मैम लाखों में एक. Ma'am, he has said that the cake is above cake and you are one in the million.
Why?
Ma'am,
One
because
in a
you are the
million.
best.
Ma'am, you are the bestest teacher alive.
Alive.
Naman, please
And
show us
what
some
about
of the
dead
scenes
ones?
from the protest.
Yeah. So what is going to happen today? Why are you talking like this? Hmm?
Ma'am, because you are gonna give us
Ma'am,
full marks, ma'am.
ma'am, I'm a bit emotional
And
right
stick
now.
to assignments.
Oh, why am I emotional? So due to the
Ma'am, as I'm
situation.
in the protest, so the
Yeah.
policemen are attacking us.
Oh,
Bhago.
Should we come, Naman?
Yeah, for
Naman,
sure.
you should take soaps so you can bath there.
I'll take Bernal.
Let me open up Aaj Tak then.
Ma'am?
yeah. Yes, Aditya, I'm here. What do you want?
No, ma'am, I don't want anything.
And
Ma'am,
then
the
I
country is
just
not.
Everyone is
want
also going to the
attention.
protest.
I don't want.
Ma'am, it's becoming difficult to live in this country.
yes, what to do?
Suicide.
Oh, Sushant Singh Rajput. Ma'am, Hardik is encouraging suicides.
Encouraging?
How?
Suicides, ma'am. Ma'am, he is so depressed nowadays,
He is
ma'am.
the topper of
He
our class.
text.
Hardik. Like, we all get depressed by seeing his marks every time.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. He was crying
Ma'am,
because he
we
got
all
49
get
out of
depressed by
50.
seeing the yoga of Nikhil. He is so good at it. You should look at him once.
Nobody does it better.
Okay. Shall I take the attendance?
Yes, please, ma'am.
Aditya,
Yes, ma'am.
so for you, I'm going to assign you a work. Will you?
Ma'am, what work, ma'am?
Where is that? Where is your energy, man?
No, ma'am. I'm full of energy, ma'am.
Yeah. So I'm going to assign you a work. Will you do it?
Ma'am, it depends what kind of work it is, ma'am. Ma'am, it is
Without,
if it is writing work, ma'am, then sorry, ma'am.
see, before that, you should not ask these things. What I asked you, I needed yes or no. This or that.
Ma'am,
Will you
ma'am,
or
being
not?
honest, no.
No.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. In the next class onwards, you have to talk like this. You said answer no. So you should not talk. Okay.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Sorry.
So without knowing the question, how will you say no?
Okay, ma'am. Tell me the question, ma'am.
No, you said no. Then how can I tell you?
Okay, ma'am. Don't tell the question.
Yeah. Yes. Just a minute. Answer your attendance, please. 51. 51.
Present.
Written in the chat
Present.
box.
Present.
Yeah. 52.
Present, ma'am.
2 present. 53. 53. Am I audible?
Ma'am, 53 is present, ma'am, maybe. He wrote something in chat in starting.
Yes. Yeah, 53 present. Sorry. 54,
54 present, ma'am.
55,
Present, ma'am.
56,
He left the college.
sorry, left, yeah. 57,
Present, ma'am.
58,
Present, ma'am.
59,
Present, ma'am.
60, 60. Oh, yeah, present. 61,
Present, ma'am.
62,
Present, ma'am.
63,
Present, ma'am.
64 left, 65, 65,
Absent.
absent. 65 absent. Who is 65? 66,
Present, ma'am.
67 left, 68,
Present, ma'am.
69,
Present, ma'am.
70,
Present, ma'am.
71, 71, 71 absent. 72,
Present, ma'am.
72 present.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. 73,
Present, ma'am.
74,
Present, ma'am.
75,
Present, ma'am.
76,
Present, ma'am.
77 present. 78,
Present, ma'am.
79, 79 absent. 80,
Present, ma'am.
81 present. 82 left. 83, 83, 83 present. Yeah, your voice is breaking. Okay, 84, 84, who is 84, present or absent? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, 84. I'm marking 84 absent. 85,
Present, ma'am.
86 left. 87,
Present, ma'am.
88, 89,
Present, ma'am.